Here I have HUAWEI Ascend G510 and let me show you how to check IMEI number on the following device, and let me show you how to get access to a serial number. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your phone's icon right here. Let's use this code *#06#. As you can see, the IMEI number just pops up in front of you. Tap OK to close this. Alright, let's go back. Now let me show you how to check IMEI and serial by using the settings. So let's tap the settings icon, scroll down to the bottom of the list, choose about phone. Let's scroll down again, and here you can choose status. Right here you can scroll down and read the IMEI number and also the serial number. So that's it. You can also check the IMEI and serial by removing the back cover and the battery. Let me show you. So let's use the cavity right here at the down right edge of the device. Use this corner step by step, and here you can remove the battery by using this cavity right here, and here you've got the information about your IMEI and serial number. That's it. Now let's put back the battery, close the back cover, and press power key to switch on the device. Excellent. As you can see, the HUAWEI Ascend is switching on. So as you can see, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.